Hi, I'm Janice. Thursday evening, still October 30th. I'm just supposed to start talking and pull at least, I just got some animal spirit cards here. You know, it's amazing to me how much beauty is overlooked. I didn't see it either. I do now. I mean, my eyes have opened quite a bit, and the beauty, just, you know, there's still some flowers outside in front of the building, and I know they're about to go, and there's some little buds. They may bloom or not, I don't know, but they're about, they're about to go. And I'm like, wow, I love you, flowers. Love you so much. I don't know if I'll be here next spring or not to see you next spring. I don't know. It's not just flowers, but that's just what's coming out of my mouth. Okay, right now, I surrender myself to you, Most High. Holy Spirit, ancestors, high vibrant ancestors, angels, spirit team, speak through me, use my tongue, use my voice, use my heart to uplift and elevate the collective, help heal, healing fire, healing love to you, dear soul. And I pray for you. I pray that you have everything you need. Peace to you. I feel the energy of anxiety, concern, especially around just the basic needs, And I pray that you have everything you need. And I choose not to. I feel the fear, but I'm not in fear because I trust my higher power, and I'm not in need. I have what I need, and I can go get what I need, whatever, But I've been there, and I know that panic, and I know the fear. And these forces, these evil forces, thrive off our fear. They thrive off our energy of fear and chaos and mayhem, riots, all that. I believe this. I have experienced this. Whatever you believe, that's up to you. But if you're watching this, as a fellow reader friend of mine had said, you're obviously looking for higher truths. You're to learn, to gain more spirituality, or some way or some others. You've got to be on some kind of spiritual track, unless you're just a troll, and I'm not going to go there. So, oh, she, she, oh, oh, she, oh. Turn your fear into gold by trusting your higher power, by giving praise and gratitude for what you have, knowing that you are a believer and that you have faith, and you walk by faith and not by sight. And you can also bring in what you're seeking is seeking you. You can speak forth and bring it about. You know, I will have plenty of food in my cupboards and in my fridge. And I will have everything I need. And that kind of thing. And affirmations as well. You know, I'm a child of God. I'm not a beggar. I'm abundant. You know, all that. Posido dea si dei dia na. We advise you to not give in to fear. Acknowledge it. Acknowledge it. Get on your knees and pray if you need to. Whatever you need to do, resist the fear and resist the blame, because it's far deeper and bigger than any one person or any one thing. This is the time to cry out to your higher power and hold fast to what you know is true. If you need to get away from the television or news, whatever you need to do, you know what's enough of what's happening. You are abundantly cared for. You are a child of God, a child of Mother Earth. You are highly favored. You are powerfully protected. And everything you need is and will be provided for you. Psalm 91. Psalm 91. Psalm 23. Psalm 23. Peace. Peace. Sure. Supernatural peace, serenity, calm waters, calm waters, come up from within and cool your mind of troubled waters. Peace to you, peace to you. You Hoshi, 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 oh no, Hoshi, hold fast to what is true, to what is pure, to what is right, to what is kind. Hold fast to your divine heart. Hold yourself centered, ground yourself, Josie. Release the fear, release the fear, Josie. Okay, I'm supposed to pull an animal spirit card out. Whew, whew. I thank you for your divine presence. Holy Spirit. I thank you for your divine presence. I thank you for your divine presence. Whew. Whew. What's the message for the collective? Nightingale. Sing. Cry out. Speak out. Like never before. Like never before. You sweet little nightingale. Sing. Look to the light. That light is within you. It's also around you. I bless you, dear soul. I bless you, dear soul. I honor you. I pray you have everything you need. Peace to you. Healing love.